Hello everyone, I'm Olivia. Today I'm going to talk about the project that I made, that is the Invoice Manager. It is basically a full stack web application that is designed to streamline the process of creating, managing and tracking the professional invoices. The core functionality includes secure user authentication, a dashboard analytics that use Tambo AI, that is an AI integrated dashboard that provides at a glance the overview of income, the invoice statuses and the recent activities based on the user request, and also give a generative UI interface. It also gives client management, dynamic invoice creation, PDF generation and download feature. It also gives invoice tracking and responsive UI is used here. Now, talking about the project tech stack, I have used Next.js as the framework, TypeScript as for type safety. For authentication, I have used NextAuth, and for database ORM, I have used Drizzle ORM, and for database, I have used NeonDB. For styling, I have used Tailwind CSS, and I have used Satrian library for the UI components. And for PDF generation, I have used the React PDF NPM package, and for the analytics dashboard section, I have used Tambo AI. Now let's see the demo working of this whole invoice so that we can just have an overview of this whole functionality and whole application. Now let's start with signing in. Now you can sign in with your credentials too and with your auth too. I will use my auth to sign. So finally I have signed in as Blue Code. That is my own email name. Now let's go to the dashboard section. I will start with creating a new invoice. Okay, so let me give it as the name of test user. Test user. I will give the client company name as test client. I will give the email test@gmail.com. As a client address, I will provide it as Kolkata. I will give the due date. I will add the item, this mouse. Let's fix the price. Adding the note, that is a new invoice. So now let me save this. Now after saving it, we can see the new invoice, that is the test client is created. The previous are the ones I created for the demo purpose. Now let's go to the edit button and see if it's working or not. Now going to the edit button. Yeah, so I am editing the client name. And let's see if it's the change is reflected. Yes, the change is reflected here. Now let's preview. In the preview section, we will get the preview of the PDF preview of the document. Yeah. Now we can download this PDF too. Now let's see the downloaded PDF. Sorry. Just let it process once. Let me open it. Yeah. So here's the downloaded PDF. Now again, going back, let us go to the main dashboard section that uses the sponsor till Tambo AI, and I will ask it to show uh, analytics graph for all invoices. So this is basically the integrated Tambo AI integrated into the dashboard, and it provides a conversational user interface which allows the user to interact with the invoice data by typing in their natural language. And the core function basically it is a conversational interface. It uses AI powered tools, and it also gives generative UI and components for the user to have a good display. So yeah, now let's see what it gives. Okay, I will ask it to show the graph and display it so that it just shows the graph. Now let's see. So here it uses sponsor technology, that is the Tambo AI, and gives us a visual appearance of the analytics as per the user need. Let's see the response that is generating. Give the graph. Let me see. Waiting for the data. Yeah, so it gives the total graph, and here is the dashboard analytics. So that was all about the project. I hope you like it. Thank you.